Hey, what's up everybody? Here I'm going to be showing you how to repair chips on a reglazed tub. Here's a tub I did about a year ago and the customer wants some chips repaired, and they're definitely not flaws in the workmanship. You can see the thickness of the coating, so I'm going to go ahead and take some 220 grit on an orbital and sand them down, feather them down so they're smooth. Then I'll spray some primer and then I'll do some touch up with the top coat. It's definitely important that as you're sanding with the orbital that you're not really breaking through and getting rough edges. You want to make sure everything's feathered. So I'm barely putting pressure on the surface with the 220. And then I'm going to be feeling it, making sure that it's smooth to see if I need to put any Bondo or putty, but that doesn't seem like it's the case. As you can see, the material's bonded really well. It's not flaking or grabbing and lifting like you'll see with a lot of thin coats. So it's a definite benefit to making sure you put the proper amount of coats, because for future repairs, if necessary, it makes them a lot easier. So here you can see I'm just gonna kind of rub it, make sure it's nice and smooth, make sure there's no rough or sharp edges, because that will allow for any solvents or even the primer to get underneath, and then you're gonna get some alligator reactions or some curdling of the material. So make sure that all of your edges are nice and smooth to allow for the proper repair without any reaction. So I'm gonna go ahead and spot primer with the Zinsser Bins 123. Some may say that this isn't the right primer to use, but I've been doing this for years, so say what you want. It works perfectly. So I'm going to spot repair it, spot primer it, and then get ready for the top coat. I don't show in this video because it's obviously fresh and wet, but at some point, if the customer wants to coordinate with you, you can come back and just do a light polish sand to blend any overspray, anything of that sort. But usually with use over time, it will wear it down. All right, so there you have it. There's some quick touch-ups on a previously reglazed surface. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, DP Tubs.